Cheap cars usually come with that big warning. You get what you pay for. One bad day and boom, you're stuck with a huge repair bill. But what if I told you there are 9 cheap used cars on the UK market right now that are absolute legends? They rack up 150,000, 200,000, even 220,000 miles and still start first time every morning. Let's count them down, starting at number 9, the Toyota Orus. It stays in the shadow of its bigger brother, the Corolla, but it has the same tough Toyota build that lasts forever. The 1.6 petrol engine is simple, no turbo, no complicated parts. Owners easily reach 150,000 miles with just regular oil changes and basic care. Parts are cheap and easy to find anywhere, super reliable and no drama. But wait till you meet its small Japanese cousin that people keep for life. Number 8, the Honda Jazz. It looks like a simple everyday car, but it outlasts much bigger ones. The 1.4 petrol engine is almost impossible to break. Many go past 200,000 miles on the original parts. No turbo, no weak belts, just easy basic maintenance. The clever seats fold flat and make it way more useful than it looks. Mechanics hardly ever see them because they almost never break. But the next car is Japanese, fun to drive, and still matches this level of toughness. Number 7, the Mazda III. A hatchback that's often cheaper than others, but just as reliable. The 2.0 petrol engine is super strong. No turbo, no extra problems. Owners pass 160,000 miles easily. Plus, it feels fun and light to drive. Only watch for rust on very old ones, but the engine and parts stay solid. But what if a popular car like the Focus has a secret, simple version most people miss? Number 6, the Ford Focus, but only the older 1.6 petrol version. Skip the newer turbo ones that often have big cooling issues. This simple 1.6 engine goes past 200,000 miles with normal servicing. Parts are everywhere and cheap. Find one with good service records and it's way more reliable than the newer models. Now let's go to a car from Korea that made budget cars better. Number 5, the Hyundai i30. The 1.6 petrol, non-turbo, is really simple and just keeps running. It has way fewer problems than similar cars. Most fixes are just tires or brakes. Many came with long warranties that helped later owners too. Low running costs, cheap parts, and often looked after well. But we're going smaller now to a fun little car mechanics really like. Number 4, the Suzuki Swift. The little 1.2 petrol is one of the toughest small cars around. No turbo, super simple. It easily hits 180,000 miles with basic care. It feels quick and fun in town, cheap to run and insure. Safety checks are usually just small things. Most people only sell it when they need more space, not because it stopped working. But the next one still has long warranty protection on many used ones. Number 3, the Kia Ceed. The simple 1.6 petrol, before turbos, has almost no drama. Owners reach 130,000 miles with easy basic servicing. Kia's long warranties often still help used buyers. Cheap to fix, solid safety records, and sellers know buyers won't return with big repair stories. But next is a car from Czechia that shows simple can be awesome. Number 2, the Skoda Fabia, 1.2 petrol. It doesn't look fancy, but it just works every day. The engine is super basic. Owners go over 150,000 miles with nothing but oil changes. Safety checks are usually only tires, lights, or brakes. Parts are cheap and easy to get. Low costs all around and fewer headaches. And now, the top car on the list. Number 1, the Toyota Yaris, 1.3 petrol. This small car has a huge reputation for lasting forever. Owners hit 170,000 to 220,000 miles on the original engine. No turbos, no complicated systems, just pure Toyota strength. It rarely has big issues on safety checks, parts stay cheap, and it starts every morning like new. It shows that reliable doesn't have to be boring. It just has to keep going strong. There you have it, the 9 cheap used cars that are actually super reliable. These are the smart picks that save you money and stress for years. Have you ever owned any of these? Tell me in the comments. Good or bad stories welcome. If this video helped you avoid a bad buy, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Share it with anyone looking for a cheap car right now. Sometimes the simplest cars are the best ones. Drive safe. See you in the next video.